Wiki hii kufuatia yale mabadiliko yalifanywa na Mheshimiwa Rais last week, we will start an aggressive program of addressing some of these challenges in the energy sector. Na nina hakika the price of fuel will not only come down, but even the bills we are paying for electricity, we are going to work hard to ensure that they come down also.
Ndumiriri no ya minista wa ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi Dr. Fred Matiang'i egi thogora wa maguta ni irabateirie mwihoko wa akenya wate ica ikuhe maguta ni makwendio na thogora mubacirire no gwikinya kwa minista wa maguta na wenji wa mahiga magoro John Munyes mbere ya kamiti ya Senate egi hinya wa kuhuthika ni gucorire mbica ngurani ya mubango uria thirikari ingikorwo naguo wigi thogora wa maguta.
We have a conversation going on as we wait the cargoes, the closure of cargoes on the 10th, to look at the international oil prices, to look at taxation, for us to determine the price.
So if they are still consulting, it means they are not sure when these prices will come down. And in fact, according to international oil prices and landing costs, that the price might continue keeping going up.
Murugamo uyu wa Munyes ukionania ati gukinyaniria thogora mweru ni undu ungioya ihinda iraihu haraihu kuringithania na uria Matiang'i hamwe na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga mareraniire ona gutuika muikariri giti wa kamiti na uria nowe seneta wa Nyeri Ephraim Maina augite ni maratindika thirikari gwika undu uyu na mituki
kuringana na uria minista atwira riu kwina mwihoko ati wikinya mweri 10 maguta ni mauko maikaikruka.
It has been confirmed to Kenyans by the CS, and you are there, that those political statements that were made by the CS Interior Matiang'i and the former Prime Minister Raila Odinga that fuel will come down this week is not possible.
Kuringana na Munyes, ministry yake ni irarogotete kigina kia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 32 kuma kuri magoti maria maumanaga na thogora wa maguta na ari mbeca icio ciringi bilioni 4.6 nicio ciahuthikire kuramata thogora wa maguta gatagati ka mweri wa gatatu na wa kanana mwaka uyu. Riu gukigia na ciuria nyingi ciigie kigina kiria gitigarite kuria kiri na kana uria kihuthikite.
Then what happened is that you could not use the 24 billion to cushion the wananchi in this particular time when fuel prices went up.
Now, Mr. Chairman, what happened was, and the history of it is, KRA collects these monies.
Yes, of course. We know you don't.
And it's at the purview of the Minister of National Treasury to disburse.
Yes.
The rest of the money, we will explain it, and it has been explained by the Minister of National Treasury.
No, it has not been explained.
And that money, 24 billion, cannot be accounted for. So the committee has now invited the CS National Treasury to answer the fate of 24 billion that was supposed to use to caution and stabilize the fuel prices across the country.
Bunge ya bururi ni irigite kuhe kamiti ya kigina ihinda ria thiku 14 kurora weru watho wa magoti uria ucungiriirie kwambata gwa thogora wamo. Na kamiti no kiumia githiru ni yari na cikaro cia guthikiriria maoni ma muingi megie ndeto ino ona gutuika riu ritana ni riikitio kuri President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta gucokaniriria ndudu ya minister kwaririria uhoro uyu.
Couldn't you go to for that matter and they really raise this matter in the cabinet?
No, it's not a cabinet issue. We actually requested for the money.
You requested?
We requested for the September, and that explanation is with the National Treasury.
But since the National Assembly has not amended the 8% on VAT, it means the fuel will still go up.
Uthuthuria uri utafanitio wonanitie ati gicunji kia 55 harĩ igana kia Akenya ni mahuthagira maguta ma tawa na njira imwe kana iria ingi mihang'o-ini ya oro muthenya. Giki ariho gicunji kimwe tu kia muingi kiria giguthie na mbere na gweterera kuona ciraniro cia thirikari ciigie kuguithio gwa thogora wa maguta kana ni cikuhinga. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngũnjiri.